And next on our list is Savage Gulf State Park, and we're going to hike the Stone Door Trail. So we're heading there now, and we'll see you when we get there. So Simba and I have made it out to the trailhead. We're about to head on in and check it out. So sit back, relax, enjoy the tour, and we'll see you on the other side. And the bark means that we're at the end of the line, which also means that it's biscuit time. Did you hear that, Simba? Biscuit time. All right, bud. What a good boy. We hope that you enjoyed our tour. Be sure to like and subscribe. And remember, your support goes directly to Simba's Hikes for Biscuits Fund, where your likes can turn into big, big biscuits for Simba. We'll see you next time, travelers.
Chasing sunsets and paw prints across the country. That's life on paws and wheels.